Welcome to our tutorial on using the ABMI's Mapping Portal. The Mapping Portal is a mapping tool that makes it incredibly easy for you to explore, visualize, and create maps for areas of interest in the province of Alberta. In this video, we'll guide you through the features and functionalities of the portal, making it easy for you to find valuable environmental data. Let's explore the Mapping Portal together. On the left panel, you can select the data you'd like to explore. This panel alternates between two displays, the Layers panel, which functions as the map legend, and the Layers selection display. In the center is the map window, where the layers you select are displayed. At the top, you'll find the Map Navigation menu, which includes functions like zooming in and out and options to locate specific areas using GPS coordinates or the Alberta Township Survey Land Description System. In the top right, you'll find options for the icon glossary, how to provide feedback, and the Take a Tour button, which guides you through how to use the mapping portal. To get started, click Select Layers to open the Layer Selection menu. Here, you'll find the standard ABMI Layers folder, which contains categories like datasets, areas of interest, base layers, and base maps. Click on the chevron icon to explore the layers within each category. You can also use the Search for Datasets box to find specific layers quickly. For this example, let's search for the Boreal Forest Natural Region. Once you've located your layer, simply click the checkmark icon and add it to the map window. You can add, remove, or hide layers at any time. Let's add another layer to compare human footprint within the Boreal Forest Natural Region. You can also create your own area of interest by clicking on Create New Layer. This opens a step-by-step menu where you can name your site and enter one or more legal land descriptions. Once you click Create Layer, your new area will appear in the My Layer selection. To return to the Layers panel, use the breadcrumb trail at the top left, or click the Close icon at the top right. Here, you can see all your selected layers. Each layer comes with a color-coded legend. Some layers have the option to view detailed or simplified legends by clicking the chevron icon on the right side of the Layers panel. You can change the order of the layers and which layer appears on top by clicking and dragging the icon with two arrows. You can toggle layer visibility by clicking the eye icon. When you click on the ellipses, there are several features available, including Hide Layer, Settings, which provides options to change the display of the map, such as opacity and appearance. The Border, Fill, and Mask options help with comparing layers. Some datasets also include summaries, which give detailed area information about your selected layers. Metadata for each layer is available here, and option to remove the layer from the map window. In the Layers panel, you can also change the base map to switch between topographic, grayscale, and satellite view. Layers that have been recently selected and viewed in the map window can be found under Recently Selected Layers. These layers can be easily selected to view in the map window again. Need to find a specific location? Click GPS Locate, type in the coordinates, and hit Enter. Or click Legal Locate to select a land parcel using the Alberta Township Survey Land Description System. The map will automatically center on your chosen location. If searching by GPS coordinates, a pin will appear which you can toggle on or off. If you'd like to share your map, click on Share Link in the navigation bar. This will create and copy a link to the map you've made, which you can then share with others. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the ABMI's mapping portal and find the environmental data you need. For any issues or feedback, please contact us at maps@abmi.ca. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.